So my name is Eric Decker. I'm in the Department of Food Science at University of Massachusetts, and I've been a Food Forum member, I think, for 6 years now. I've had the pleasure of being the chair for the planning committee for today's topic, and I'm very excited about the speakers we have and the group that has organized everything. So on behalf of the Institute of Medicine Food Forum, I'd like to welcome everybody and looking forward to this exciting program. So I think one thing that we probably can all agree upon is that many Americans are consuming too many calories. And as we look at the reasons for this, it's obviously very, very complex. And I think in recent years we've seen a lot of casual use of the word addiction and related to food intake and food types and food ingredients. So what we really are trying to get to today is try to bring together experts in this area to really discuss the biology and the reasons for these differences in eating behavior. And our overall goal, and as the planning committee talked about this, our overall goal was really about trying to determine if addiction is really the proper model to look at these sort of eating behavior problems. And and then with the long-term goal of trying to figure out the best possible solutions to handle these problems and address and deal with solutions in eating behavior. So before we all get going, I want to thank the Food Forum membership. They did a great job in putting this together. I specifically wanted to thank Fergus Clydesdale, Sylvia Rowe, Joe Herskovich, Danielle Greenberg, and Sophie Kurgo. And we had a lot of great calls to pull together this incredible agenda that we have here today. And I also want to thank Frank Busta, who's the chair of the Food Forum, for his work in keeping this all together. And I really would be remiss from also thanking Heather Cook and Leslie Sims. Is Leslie maybe outside still? They're really the people that keep the whole organization going and keep us moving forward. So before we begin, I want to welcome our international speakers. I want you to realize if you do miss portions, especially the people on the webinar, that all the information from the workshop will be posted on the Food Forum project page. And then eventually this whole symposium will be put together in written format and will be published by National Academy. We're only going to go over introductions for each speaker very briefly because we are very, very tight. And so you'll see in the programs that they have the full bios of each speaker in the program. At the end of each session, there will be some time for questions, and there'll be some moderated panel discussions. And we just ask when you do that please go to the microphone, state your name, briefly state your question. And for those of you on the webinar, there is a place on the screen where you can submit questions, and we will read some of those questions. So with that, I'd like to ask all the speakers to come up to the stage. And I'll introduce Danielle Greenberg. Danielle's did a great job putting this session together. She's a nutrition director at PepsiCo in the research and development group. She's responsible for providing scientific expertise on issues concerning beverages, nutrition, and health. And she began her careers in academic research in the areas of physiology of obesity, the role of fat intake in obesity, the satiating potential of dietary fats, how fats control intake, and in how brain-gut peptides work in hunger and fullness. So I'll turn it over to you, Danielle.